Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and on today's tutorials we'll be talking an introduction to the Yescoin. There's a whole lot of narrative around the Telegram mining where you get to click your screen or do one certain thing or the other, and definitely because of the Notcoin that really did massively in terms of liquidity and in terms of hype. Other coins are now out here, same narrative, and we'll be talking on Yescoin. All you need to do is get your Telegram application, and you could get this from the App Store for iOS users, where you could just get in here and you click on Telegram, and you search for Telegram and you update or install. And for Android users, you could get it on your Google Play Store. It is quite easy to set up, and if you do not really know how to set up, you could revert to one of our previous videos on how to get started on Telegram. So all you need to do is get your Telegram application. I have my Telegram application, you could see it here, and you need a link to get started on the Yescoin. I go to my notepad and you could see the Yescoin link. I click on the Yescoin link, it takes me here. Yescoin, to launch this web app, you will connect to this website. Allow Yescoin to send me messages. You click on launch, and yep, you get started. This is how it displays on your screen. Yescoin has over 5.5 million users as of today. That's the whole statistics of Yescoin. And you can see I'm getting started, and Oslin's Yescoin gift box. Yes, let's go. You click on open, and for your first time in Yescoin, you get an award of 169,000K. That's 169K, sorry. And you click on play Yescoin, and you get to see how to play Yescoin over here on the welcome screen. It's the first swipe to earn game in Telegram. Now, Notcoin was tap to earn. Now, Yescoin is swipe to earn, and it's quite easy. Swipe your screen to color coins and get surprise chests to invite friends, upgrade various boosters to earn coins faster. You could join their Telegram channel from here, their Twitter channel, and their Telegram chat 1 and chat 2. You click on start playing. It leads you to this screen. Okay, swipe your finger to get Yescoin. Quite easy. So you keep swiping your finger from left to right or from right to left to get your Yescoin. Pretty much easy. A new narrative, the swipe to earn, and you could earn more from the earn tab over here at the left bottom corner of the screen. The earn tab. Click on the earn tab, and you have to complete certain missions in here, like learn to get yes box up to 10 million. And I click on it, it takes me over here. Today's learning, Tonspace is a non-custodial wallet which gives you opportunity. There's a learn to earn Yescoin. Click on get it, and you click on claim. You click on the claim with the black button, not the claim with the orange button. The claim with the orange button will need you to get connected to your Ton wallet, right? And for the sake of this video, would click on this, and you've claimed 4,000 Yescoin, and that's it. It's a daily tax. You go back, click on your earn tab again, and up to silver and onboarding, and reach silver level to enjoy 10,000 Yescoin award. Click on claim, and you've gotten it. You might not be able to get gold immediately because definitely, let's see, not qualifying. Why? Because you haven't gotten to 100,000 Yescoin. All you need to do is keep swiping and keep earning more. You could join squads, any squad, or a custom, or you could join a custom squad, or you could create your own squad. I could join the Yescoin squad. Squad helps in your earnings too. And I click on back. You could see over here I'm in Yescoin. That's the diamond squad, but my level in here, I'm in the silver level. I have 184k coin. Okay, sorry, I'm in the silver level, and you could see here I have 84 84,000 below. Over here I have 84,243 coin, and I need to get to 100k before I could get to the next level. So all I need to do is, as we talked about, is swipe your screen, and there are various boosters here. Your chest, your full recovery, where after you're out of life, you click on full recovery, you get to see your bar get filled up with the full recovery, and there's the chest available, and this gives you a special chest. This gives you a special chest that when you tap on it, right now, you earn way higher from the special chest, and you keep swiping faster and you keep swiping more to earn more Yescoin. So quite easy. Then you have your boosters here, the multi-value, amount value per +1 for each level. If you level up, you get an amount value per coin. You get 2 coins instead. In level 2 you get 3, level 3 you get 4, in level 4. And your coin limit increases the total coin limit plus 250 for the next level, like the amount of coins you could mine. And you have your fuel rate, the speed, +1 per second for each level. So if I increase to level 2, I mine +2 per second, to level 3 +10, and all of that. So you have your Yes pack that helps you mine. Owning a mining pet helps you get Yescoin automatically. Right now I don't have 500k to get a Yescoin, a Yes pack that helps me mine. Alright, it's quite easy to earn from Yescoin. You get points for their listing date by following the announcement channel on Telegram and also on Twitter. Right, you invite friends, you build squads, you connect your wallet and dive into the fun, because yes, it's growing literally. Yescoin is growing literally, and the Explore tab isn't available at the moment. The onboarding tab is still available. All you need to do is just get started. Right, I hope this video have helped you, and do want to subscribe to SMC Tutor on our YouTube channel, and also do want to like and comment on this video. Share these videos to your friends too, and bye for now.